What's up, guys? It's been about 10 months since I last posted my... Can't even talk.
Why?
What's up, guys? It's been about 10 months since I last posted a YouTube video. I can pull it up right here. 10 months. And before that, it was 2 years. So it's been a while since I posted anything. So little updates, I guess. I no longer am filming on my phone, as you can tell. I got married to my middle school sweetheart. So for Christmas, this past Christmas, I got a little early Christmas present, and it was this, the Sony ZV-1. Awesome little camera. She was nice enough to do a lot of research on what is good and what's bad and what you need accessory-wise for the camera. So the first thing she got me was a tripod, a Ulanzi tripod. Spins on, has a little shoe for a mic. And what's cool about this is it opens up. And it works like a selfie stick, so it can go pretty high. She also seen that the battery life aren't as good. And you only get one battery with the Sony ZV-1. So she also got these Nuana batteries. This is it outside of the case. And what's cool about these is it comes with a little charging block. So you find this little arrow right here. You face that towards this, and it pops in and charges it. You obviously got to plug it into the wall. But 3 of them, you'll never have to worry about your battery dying. And then this tempered glass case, or glass protector for your screen. It comes with 3. And what's cool about this is it comes with these little shoe covers. I'll probably never use them, but there's a ladybug and a bee for if you're not using, you know, your little dead cat mic thing or a light or anything like that. You just throw those on, make it look a little cool. But I personally bought these. This one's been in for a few days. I know what this one is. I actually know what they both are. This one just got here. It wasn't actually supposed to be here till tomorrow, which was Monday. So we'll save that one. But this first one is a Gobe circular lens filter, a UV lens filter, 52 millimeters. So here it is. Comes in a little tin case. There it is. Nice. It also comes with a cleaning cloth to wipe the lens off. And what's this? Register your trees. Just like a little thank you note and a little QR code thing, or little code to register. Probably shouldn't show that, it's for me. So that's it for the first one. What I'm most excited about is this one right here. And I actually already opened it. Part of it's already on my camera, if that doesn't give it away. But we got a Ulanzi wide angle 52 millimeter lens. One of the big problems besides the battery life on these Sony ZV-1s, a lot of people were saying, is the camera angle is not wide enough. Just a little pamphlet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this camera in the same exact spot. I'm going to mount this lens on. just so you can see how far the cutoffs are. And you can see part of my fan here, about my dog's butt right there. So I'm going ahead and add this now, so you can see the difference. All right, that looks about where it was, and it's a big difference. You can see past my fan now. You can see my dresser, my whole dresser, tripod sliding. It's a good lens, nice and sturdy. It's made out of like this aluminum, whatever you want to call it. That's it. This Ulanzi wide angle lens and this Gobe UV filter is what I wanted to show you. Other than the Sony ZV-1, I'm excited to start using. So hopefully more YouTube videos will come. I'm not going to be posting one particular thing. I know before it was like car content. I'm going to kind of just post whatever I have fun with. Other than that, that's it. If you guys liked it, comment and subscribe. Obviously like, and let me know what you want to see next. Alright, I just finished recording and I forgot to mention, if you couldn't tell, I'm back to the stock lens, no Ulanzi lens, but I would like to show you a cool thing about this is it's not just one lens. You got this first part, which is a wide angle lens. If you unscrew that from part of the back, it turns into a macro lens. I don't know much about that, but I know it's really good for like close-ups. If you're into like taking pictures of insects or shit like that. This does both wide angle and close-up, so yeah, goes in just like that, and put it away until you're ready to use it next.